Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a story that's really close to my heart. How I met my best friend in university. From the first day jitters to late night study sessions, our journey has been filled with unforgettable moments. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive right into the story of how I found my partner in crime at university. I was actually supposed to do this video with her whilst we do the makeup. But because it's been so long that we actually saw each other physically, we tend to rather gist more and catch up on so many things, and we forgot to do this video. That's why I've taken it upon myself to do this video. So the very first day that we met on campus was the first day we went to school. In first year, that was the first day that we went to do our registrations. We were actually 2 days late for our registrations. So when we met, fortunately, we were going to be roommates. So I went earlier than she did, and I kind of knew my way around a little bit. She came alone, and I was also left alone to go about my things. So we actually got to be each other's keeper. That's how it happened. It was just surprising that the first time that we saw each other, we found the company of each other so comforting that very day that we met, we actually ate together. Can you imagine? Someone that I didn't know before, the first day that we met on campus, we were so comfortable with each other. We ate noodles together. That was our very first meal that we shared together. In fact, we ate in one bowl together the first day that we met. That's how it happened. We clicked the very moment that we set eyes on each other. I don't know how it happened, but I think it was a match made from heaven that we become friends. And I thank God that we actually came across each other. Moving forward, I got to realize that we shared a lot of interest. We had common things that we shared. And the very first thing that we did together on campus was joining the cadets. We used to see them training right behind our hall room. That's in this Independence Hall in KNUST. So we used to see them training, and I used to tell her how I was part of the cadets back in JHS, and she also told me how she was interested in the band. So we approached them one of their training days, and that's it. That's when we joined the cadets. I was part of the marching squad while she was in the band. And because of our dedication and our commitment, we became leaders in the cadet as the years went by. So we made a lot of friends in the cadet. We were actually each other's keeper. Aside going to our various classes, when we come back, we are each other's keeper. We had each other. We had friends in our classes, but we kept to each other more often than with other colleagues in our classes, if you get what I mean. So we made friends in the cadet, we made friends in the hall, we made friends in our classrooms, but we we liked the company of each other more than those people. So it got to some point that we were so close that some people actually started assuming that we are lesbian partners. So I don't know, because when she sees me, she will run, give me a hug, give me a peg on the cheeks and all that. I remember we've even kissed on the lips before, but that's how close we were. And I like the fact that we were both Christians. And reading joke with our Christian lifestyle. Okay, so even though you could play a lot when you go to cadet trainings and all that, but when it comes to Christian matters, we don't joke with it. So we met guys on campus, used to crash on them. I remember a particular time that she was crashing on this particular guy, and I had to sneak on this guy, stalk him in order to get his number from my best friend. And unfortunately, he was a Muslim, so it didn't work out. I was crashing on this particular guy on campus. I crashed on him from first year to final year, but well, it didn't work out. So I just moved on. I dated my cadet commander. It also worked out. Yeah, that's how it is. But all the same, she was so supportive, emotionally, physically, mentally. I would say she was supportive. She was there every time. She was there every time. And she's one of those friends that won't entertain your nonsense. If you go wrong, if you do something wrong, she'll rebuke you. That's how she is. And I thank God that she's like that. Because there's some people that when you are taking the wrong move, they'll just watch you because they are afraid that when they speak up, they won't be friends with you anymore, or you stop being friends with them. But she's not like that. She's not afraid to rebuke me when I go wrong. And I'm also not afraid to correct her when she goes wrong. Yes. It's not that we never fought, but we understood each other. We made it a point that when someone is in trouble or when someone is going through something, we place the person first before ourselves. That's what made it possible for us to be friends till now without a single fight. There were times that she annoyed me, and I think there were times that I also annoyed her, yes. But all the same, we never made that an issue. We sorted out our differences without offending each other. We did it with love. Love is the ultimate thing that kept our friendship till now. Okay? We shared the same bed for almost a semester. I mean, that's how close we were. She used to cook. I'm lazy when it comes to cooking. She used to do the cooking and all that. She would talk, but she would do it. This girl is very, very, very kind. Very kind, I must say. God bless her for coming into my life and for sticking with me till now. Even created a YouTube channel on campus, and we became popular among the cadets, all the cadets on campus. Everyone knew us to be best friends. The most important thing about her that I appreciate till now is how supportive she was when I was starting my makeup journey. I mean, she's one of those people that have made me who I am today. When I started, she was the first person that I used her face to practice. So if I'm now a pro at it, all thanks to her for believing in me and giving me the encouragement that I needed, the motivation that I needed to start this. She used to go to rooms and advertise for me whilst I was even shy to do that. And now I think I owe it to her for how far I've come. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I have a lot to share, but to make the video long, how does she look? She looks splendid. So guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, share this video and subscribe to join this family. Bye bye.